8. So we're going to open 3 packs today. So we'll start with the Destin Rival. Code card. Fighting. Alright. We got Skarmory. Smoliv. Torchic. Rotom. Team Rocket's Venture Bomb. Teal Mask Ogerpon. Team Rocket's Hypno. Reverse Team Rocket's Nidorana. We got Claydol. And just a Holo Sneasel. Alright, for a second pack. Code card. Fire. Psychic. Shroodle. Heliolisk. Nincada. Corphish. Magnezone. Iron Defender. Grumpig. Sobble Reverse. Ooh, we got a Litten Illustration Rare. That's what's up. I've never gotten that one before. And then Raikou Hollow. And then for our last one, we got Phantasmal Flames. I'm hoping to pull that Charizard. Yet to pull it, I pulled a Dawn SIR. Okay. Code card. We're going to go dark. Oh, got Water. Charmander. Bronzor. Trapinch. Krokorok. Battle Cage. Bramblegast. Archelidon. And then reverse. Okay. Reverse. And then just a Moltres Hollow. Alright, we'll see you guys back tomorrow. I'm also going to be doing 8 and 9 tomorrow. So we'll do 2 packs.